Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11. So let us start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So just open your web browser. I am opening my Google Chrome and then click on address bar and type this URL virtualbox.org and then hit enter key on the keyboard. So let me do that. And you can see guys, I have this VirtualBox website opened. Okay, and after that you have to come to this left menu and then click on this downloads. And you can see guys, VirtualBox platform packages for various operating systems. Okay, so the current version is 7.0.12. Okay, so we need to download for Windows 11. So we need to click on Windows hosts. So let me click on it. You can see it started downloading, so we need to wait. You can see it's now done. So let me go to the place where I downloaded it. Okay. You can see here I have the setup file. So just double click on the VirtualBox setup file. So let me do that. And you can see guys, here we have this VirtualBox, whatever the version, a setup wizard. So just click on next. So here leave everything as default. Okay. And here we have this location. So this is the location where my VirtualBox will be installed. You can see yours. And also if you want, you can change the location by clicking on this browse this button, but I don't wanna change it. Okay. So after that, just click on this next, this button, and then click on yes this button. Click on yes button again. You can see ready to install. Okay, so just click on this install this button. So it's installing, so we need to wait for some time. You can see guys, VirtualBox installation is complete. Click the finish button to exit the setup wizard, and also leave this as checked. Start Oracle VM VirtualBox, whatever the version, after installation. Okay, so just click on this finish this button. So let me click on it. Let me close this downloads this window. Okay, let me minimize my browser, and you can see guys, here we have this VirtualBox. Let me maximize it. So it's now installed, and if I go to my desktop, you can see I have Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, this shortcut. So it's now done. So that's it. In this way you can easily download and install VirtualBox on Windows 11. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.